Lenders can learn a lot about you and your business from a click of a button. And if that click exposes a few red flags, you can say goodbye to that loan you're applying for. Hey everyone, Louis Dip here from Odin Finance, helping you with all your asset finance needs. Whenever you apply for credit, the lender will check your credit file. This is a record of the business credit history, including information about any late payments, defaults, or bankruptcies. Lenders use this information to give them a bigger picture of your business finances and assets the risk of lending to it. But fortunately, there are a few things that you can do and look out for to avoid red flags on your credit file, which is what I'm going to be talking about in today's video. If you're venturing into new business endeavors, you want to keep this list at the top of your head, so stay tuned. Before we dive into the list, you should know that this video must not be construed as professional or financial advice. In particular, you should seek independent financial guidance from a professional who can advise you on your best ways to proceed in your personal circumstances. Okay, so there are quite a few credit reporting agencies out there, but the most common one that lenders use is known as Equifax. Equifax receives information about you from lenders, local councils, and other organizations to compile your credit report, which is a record of your financial history that lenders can examine to determine your creditworthiness. When lenders assess the report, they look at a few things to help them decide whether to accept or decline your credit application. Firstly, they're going to look at the age of your file. Lenders will generally consider brand new credit files higher risk, so they'll often limit your finance options. So that's one thing to keep in mind if you're a new business. You might have to accept what you can get and then look at refinancing options down the line once your business is a bit more established. Next, they'll check to see if you have any defaults or judgments against your business. Adverse credit is one of the most detrimental aspects to a credit file. This can be avoided by making all payments on time for your loans, credit cards, and even things like your phone bill and electricity bill. If you continue to miss payments, they'll be marked as defaults, which can be pretty difficult to remove from your credit file. This, in turn, can limit your chances of getting finance. And if you do manage to secure the finance, it's likely going to be at a hefty price, because you're going to be paying for the risk that the lender is taking on. Thirdly, lenders will assess all your credit inquiries. When you apply for a loan, credit card, phone bill, or any kind of product, a credit inquiry appears on your credit file. It's always important to be careful about what you apply for and how frequently, because this can negatively affect your credit score and cause alarm bells. For example, if lenders see frequent inquiries for multiple personal loans and credit cards within a short time period, this can be a sign of cash flow challenges. Next, they'll look into your business relationships. Something you might not realize that impacts a lender's decision is whether or not you're up to date with ASIC fees. If your business has failed to pay its annual review fee, ASIC can institute a strike-off action, which is a process undertaken to remove a company from the company register. A strike-off action appears on your credit file, and most lenders won't consider approval until the action has been removed from your file. Lenders can also look into previous companies that you were a director of and run checks to make sure that there were no causes for concern or serious red flags. And lastly, as a part of a recent update to credit reporting criteria, lenders are able to see your personal loan repayment history, so they can look into repayments for mortgages, cars, and credit cards. So although you're applying for a loan on your business behalf, it's crucial that you keep your personal credit file up to scratch as well. I hope this video has helped you prepare for your business loan application. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm always happy to help. And if you found this video insightful, please share it with your business owner friends. The more people we can help, the better. See you next time.